Yup, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy More and I'm back again with another video. Let me fix this real quick. Way better, right? Way better audio. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna go over this trade that I took today. I'm gonna break it down why I took this trade and what I learned from it, what I can do better. So let's get straight into it. First, let me open Forex Factory and drag this over here. Open. I'm gonna show you how much I made on it as well. Good execution today. We followed our trading plan. We followed our rules, and we did what we were supposed to do. Trade overall. Alright. So let's get into it. So this is the trade right here that I took on silver. It was a nice 123.9. It's still 124. But let's get into it. So, also, by the way, it's Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, 5:46 p.m. It's Tuesday. Remember that. I'm gonna explain why that's significant to this trade, even though it's not. But okay, so coming to the market, we're weekly, we're bullish. Daily, we're bullish. So coming to the market, hold on, let me move this. That was yesterday. So coming to the market this morning, I was looking to buy because yesterday already had the pullback to retest the structure level right here. So coming to the market today, I was looking to buy. Now, with that being said, gold I was also looking to buy because the gold is at all-time highs right now, as you guys can see. Gold is just pushing and pushing, and it's bullish coming to the charts. So when I came to the markets this morning, I was looking to buy. So, also this is my TP1 right here. Uh, it's a nice 4 area, nice 4 hour uh order block right here. But this would be my weekly take profit right here. Now, obviously, I'm gonna explain. We hit both of those, so this is gonna be my new target. It's only Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it can still go up here and hit. Also, this week there is NFP on Friday, so I need to be careful with that trade. But let me just break down today. So we pull up to the charts. I'm looking to buy. So I found this order block right here. Price pushes up, does this consolidation, whatever. Makes another order block right here. So I draw this order block up. Now there's a possibility that price could come back and pull back to this order block, but we have to be patient. We gotta wait for it. So price eventually pulls back to this order block, gives a long rejection like this all the way down here. I thought it was gonna close below here. Also, this order block looks better. Well, it looks better. The one on gold though looks better on the 30 minute. Yeah. So gold did give a setup, but I'm gonna explain that later. So it gave a nice projection, give a morning star, but me, I just don't like the way. I want a doji candle. I don't want this long wick projection, so I waited for the next candlestick at least to close somewhat close to up here. It doesn't have to necessarily close above it or like exactly at it, but somewhere something telling me that there is bullish pressure to go to the upside. So I wait for the next candlestick. We have this long rejection, and as you guys can remember from last week, I took this trade right here. Where is it at? I took this trade right here, and same thing that happened last week. It came here, gave me a nice Morningstar pattern. Instead of waiting for that nice bullish momentum candle, I didn't, and I just took the trade, and then obviously we got stopped out. So coming into this trade, I was like, okay, I noticed I made this mistake last week. I need to fix it. I'm gonna do better. So then I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna just wait for the next candlestick to at least close bullish above here. If that happens, then cool, but take the trade. If that happens. So I'm like, okay, cool. Price was pushing higher. I was like, okay, I like this. So if I had closed up here, I would have taken this trade. When I took it, it did fill me up here instead of down here. So that's just straight locker. Uh, that's just how trade locker is. Like I took the trade. Normally when this candlestick closed, but it filled me up there. So it is what it is, right? So I took this trade. For my stop loss, for my take profit, guess what? Put my phone down, didn't even look at it. So I didn't look at the chart all day till lunchtime. By the time it came to lunchtime, price had pushed up and hit RTP. Now there was news today, so I had to be careful with that. But hey, one thing I have been learning consistently lately is that, bro, if your technicals are good, news flows with your technicals. Now there's some days like there's some days where I don't get a setup when my trade just doesn't present itself and news drops and news like messes up the whole chart, or it pushes up and then falls back down, or it just wicks up, wicks down, and it stays in the same spot. So those days when I don't have a setup and I don't take a trade and news drops, it's sometimes messy. But when a trade opportunity presents itself with my setup, everything I want, and news is flowing, bro, news usually goes with it. Now that's not all the time, but most from what I've seen lately is that every time I take a trade and there's news happening, news flows with the technicals. So the fundamentals follow the technicals. So, but yeah, overall, really good trade. It hit our TP1, which was like I said, this our order block right here, and I wanted to put my TP2 here, but me learning from this trade right here, I understand that not every trade is gonna give a 1 to 7, 1 to 8. So like previously, I was looking for a 1 to 3, and then this trade ended up playing and hit my TP1, TP2, TP3 in one trade. That's not I knew that the chances of that happening again was not very high because like I don't want to mess up my psychology, right? Because I see the trade hits a 1 to 7. So now coming into this trade, I'm thinking about getting a 1 to 7. But what if the market just came here, rejected it, and it fell completely? If I was still in this trade, I would have lost all the profits just because I wanted to be greedy and get more. So I found this nice area to take my profits. Cool, price hit my profits. I got on the charts. I see, okay, price hit my TP. Good. Now, did it keep pushing and hit my other one? Yes. And I'm okay with that. I'm content with the profits that I made. Because guess what? I followed my trading plan. I waited for my interest signal, took my interest signal, had my stop loss, had my take profit, and let the trade do its thing. So I did good. I take this trade any day of the week. It's a 1 to 4, and I raised 1%. And obviously, as you can tell, we're back up to this much. So we made, let me just show you. Close positions, we made 3,600 on this. Here's what it is. I raised 1%, 123.6. We made it. So it is what it is. Now, gold did give a setup as well, but I just didn't like the way gold formed. A lot of consolidation right here, and then had a big push. Now, on the 30-minute, it looks better. On the 1 hour, it looks even cleaner. But at this point, bro, I'm not even looking to take a trade at that time. Like, that's too far gone. So maybe I could have taken it on this 30-minute candlestick right here. And let's see. Put my stop loss below here. And honestly, I would not know where my first TP is. So let's put a 2.2, 2.5. So yeah, I guess the trade would be like this. Because gold is at all-time highs right now, as you guys can tell. It's just pushing and pushing. So that's not good because it's going to fall down eventually. But right now, it's just pushing. So yeah, didn't take this trade. Just wasn't comfortable. Now, when I said today's Tuesday, February 14th, 2025, why did I say that? Let me break this down. So 2 weeks ago, 2 Tuesdays ago, this trade, I took this trade because it had already left. So I wanted to take it down here, but I took it up here. It left, tight stop loss. It was in drawdown. I closed the trade out. Eventually, it hit my TP. So I was like, okay, cool. It is what it is. I thought I learned my lesson. I say, okay, every time I take a trade out, I'm going to just let it play out, let it do its thing. Last week, Tuesday, I come to a chart. I take this trade. It's in drawdown again. What do? I close the trade out early, or I move my take profit down here to break even, so it would hit my take profit, break even, and then stop me out. So I was like, okay, cool. I did that. This trade hurt because I was right with my analysis, everything. I just didn't trust the trade. I didn't trust myself. I didn't trust God with this. So I closed out the trade, and we ended up missing on this big move. That's on me. I take full accountability. So it's funny because this happened 2 Tuesdays ago. This happened last Tuesday. And then again, today we have another opportunity. But this time I learned. I really learned because I have it in my rules like, bro, you take a trade, you put your stop loss, you put your take profit, you don't change them. You leave them alone and you let the trade play. Now this trade didn't go into drawdown, it just went straight flowing. It went to drawdown a little bit, bro. It flowed most of the time. When I take a trade, this is usually what happens. It just flows straight to my take profit or either my stop loss. So I wasn't used to all the consolidation right here before the big move. I'm used to just flowing it like today. That's it. So overall today, good trade. I thank God for this trade. Thank you for this opportunity, Jesus Christ. I did what I was supposed to do. Follow my trading plan, waited for the order block, gave me an entry signal, took it, put my stop loss, my take profit, and then let the trade do its thing. So that's how I'm gonna keep doing now. Follow my training plan, stay consistent. If we do that, bro, it's only a matter of time before we become consistently profitable, man. And we do better. We do better. So all I gotta do is follow my rules, follow my training plan, be disciplined with it. So hope you guys learned something for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope you guys have a good one. God bless you.